This safety device is unsafe. First, I'll mention that some of the screws were loose in here, which you will need a hex wrench to fix. Secondly, the legs are of different sizes and designed to go in certain places, but it doesn't say so. The real concern is, or one of the real concerns is over here. This is where this clips in here. So imagine this is upside down. There is nothing to keep it held in here. So that if you lift this stool to move it, this will become completely undone, and when you sit down, it will collapse on you. It's also possible, since you're not looking at the bottom when you're trying to set it up, that you can set this on here, and it will slip apart and fall apart. So in order to lift this, I can't lift it from here, I must lift it from here, or the entire thing will come undone. The next part is also a little serious. It doesn't fit a bathtub. This is just about 2 or 3 inches off. This 3 inches off the ground. None of these legs supports and fits into here. I think what happened was they designed it that this was designed to go exactly in the right spot, and if you just had those 4 legs, they would fit in here. But when they added the caps, that added an extra inch on each side. I tried calling the company, but can't reach them.